Today is February 14, 2021. Please feel free to share or reuse any parts of any of my videos. Most of the images shown in today's video were taken from the FAA weather cameras in Alaska just over the past few days. The south-facing camera in Edna Bay, Alaska shows a red object we've seen many times before. Now, for several reasons, we know this cannot possibly be a lens flare of the sun. One of the many reasons is that the cratered surface of this object makes its rotation very obvious. And as we've discussed before, our sun only rotates once every 27 Earth days, and this object is rotating much faster than that. Once again, we see the jet that is always present during these multiple daily solar eclipses. In the Holy Bible, Jesus tells us in Luke chapter 21, verse 25, that we will see signs in the sky when the end of the age is near. And as Christians, we are commanded to watch for these signs so that we are aware of the very late hour in which we are living. As always, if we draw a line from the reflection of the jet to the black center of the manufactured light source, the celestial object being hidden always falls upon that line, without exception. We've seen this hundreds of times over the past few years. Because of all the massive sky lenses and refracting objects in place around our Earth, we never really know if these objects are where they appear to be. This footage from Wasilla, Alaska shows one of these many enormous sky lenses in place to bend light and hide objects that would otherwise be viewable. These sky lenses always have a telltale edge rim. A close-up view shows the edge rim, always present on these sky lenses. Once again, we know this cannot possibly be a lens flare of the sun because if you look carefully, you'll notice that the sky lens actually becomes partially illuminated by the light source passing in front of it. This can't happen with a lens flare. It can never become partially illuminated. The manufactured light passes in front of these objects while the real sun is behind it, in order to hide the fact that a solar eclipse is occurring in this part of Alaska at this time. It would be impossible to see such an object behind our real sun 93 million miles away. Here's some older footage of a great view of another one of these sky lenses. Once again, if you look carefully, notice the obvious edge rim around the entire circumference of the lens. Because these lenses are in place to bend light, there is no way to really know if what we're seeing here is a refraction, a reflection, or the actual sky lens. There's no way for us to know. As we move through these images, you'll see how this lens actually causes a reflection of the landscape to become something like a double image. This is what they do. And this is just another sign that we are living in the very last days.